Hey guys, good morning. Just a quick video here. I'm reorganizing my radio stuff here as my new addition, the new power supply. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it in that location, but I do have to keep these vents clear on the top. Anyway, this video is just to show you on a lot of the ham gear we have. You know, you got these MFJs. They're light. You press a button, and the whole thing kind of moves. You know, you don't have to hold it down and press a button. You know, I got a few of these MFJs and stuff. What I found is these little, you know, like when you get a credit card, new credit cards, got that glue that you can kind of remove the credit card. Well, they sell this stuff. Loctite sells the Funtac. This is like a blue one. This one on porous stuff could kind of stay there a little bit. You can get it off, but it's more like a clay. And this one is more like the real glue. I don't even remember where I got this stuff. I think I might have gotten it on Amazon or eBay or whatever. You just basically peel off, you know, peel it off, stick it, and peel off this piece. So it's like a double back tape. It's a little bit hard to pull the paper backing off on it, but this stuff sticks really good. Let me try to see how it comes off. So what I'll do is I'll just put this on the feet of whatever I want. Sometimes I even put it on the CW key, but I've been moving my key around, so I'm not doing that now. But if you want stuff where you got to press a button and you don't want it to move, but you don't want to leave glue or whatever, just go with this Funtac stuff. You'll find it. I mean, they even sell it at Walmart or whatever, but works out real well. Anyway, catch you guys on the airwaves later.